Hey everybody, it's LavenderTowne. Meccha Chameleon is a hide-and-seek style game where you paint yourself into the environment, and I am technically a professional artist. The question is, does drawing full-time actually help you win at this art-based game? Will I be a ringer or panic under the tight drawing deadline? It didn't work! I'm gonna have to do some voiceover for my first match because for some reason I thought that open mic was on all the time, so other than sort of giggling and whispering like a haunted Victorian doll, I didn't really have much commentary. Okay. My first tactic was to find a high contrast area because one of the best ways to sort of obscure a 3D shape is with a high contrast texture like this, and my technique with the painting tools at first was a little questionable, I would say. You can really tell this was my very first attempt, but even though it was my first game, I found something quite scandalous that I actually caught on recording. I'm gonna see if you guys catch it, and I'll point it out at the end of this match. So as you can see, it's incredibly easy to move or drop your character when you put them in the perfect place. I've now seen a lot of beginners make that same mistake, and it is such a nightmare when you've just aligned everything so perfectly. It definitely hurts your ability to hide. And you can see in the lower bottom right that you get points basically whenever you're in someone's line of sight. So the goal is to be somewhere visible, like not crammed in a little crevice, but, you know, well hidden enough that they don't immediately find and shoot you. So most of the games I played were in infection mode, which means every time someone is caught, they're also added to the hunter pool. So there'll be more and more people looking for you the longer the game goes on. And you can see right now I'm in second place. The green text is my name, and I'm just below Badass Blossom, who's going to come into play a little bit here when we talk about what happened later in this match. It's honestly really nerve-wracking when you get down to the last 30 seconds. The timer starts clicking really loudly, and I really wanted to win my first public lobby. So I was quite nervous seeing them so close to me right at the end. It was actually a little terrifying. Wait a minute! Oh my god, there's someone right next to me! Oh my god. So when I was playing, I assumed I was just so fixated on myself that I somehow missed this person right beside me, but when I was actually looking through the recording, they literally spawn in next to me, and there's no possible way that they were with me the whole time. So I don't know if this was some kind of like desync or something, or if this person was actually cheating. But regardless, I have no idea how that happened. Very weird. Let's see. You want to be in people's line of sight, so I want to be like here. I think this ledge is gonna protect me a little bit. Okay, let's paint. Let's start with this, and you gotta make sure, yeah, look at this. This is this is serious. Now I'm not gonna like drop off the thing like I did last time. That was really bad. Some very small little bits of texture. Guys, trust me. It's gonna work out. Okay. Oh, that looks okay-ish. I don't really like how my head is kind of sticking out a little. Ooh, from below, that's not good. The body looks great. I didn't do any texture on the head though. That's the problem. Oh my god. I'm rising in the rankings. I'm rising in the rankings. Should we whistle? Oh god. There's so long search time. Ah. I don't understand. Do they not see me? Oh, no. Okay. I didn't make it this time. Pretty sure as soon as they come around here, they're gonna know it's me. No. Okay, we have to live. Okay, we're using color theory. What's the theory? I truthfully do not know. Actually, that's looking pretty good, except I kind of positioned myself where literally no one's ever gonna find me. And that's good, except that I'm not gonna be in anyone's vision for the whole match. Oh. Apparently I was too locked in to talk on this one, but just know I was trying to look like a tomato on the plate. There's a tomato in the background I'm trying to kind of emulate. It didn't work. It didn't work. Alright, we're not gonna do anything quite as foolish, perhaps, as what I have done before. Like, what if I was, like, here, and I'm, like, my little butt is out, and then we copy this, and I'm just another balloon in a lot of ways. Oh no! Oh my god. Okay, I'm not really sure. Is Podza even playing? Alright, you guys, it's official. Being an artist really helps you out, like, so much. I'm definitely getting lots of points because of my amazing painting and not that I just painted myself blue like the balloons and curled up into a ball. Oh god. Ah! Oh, you got me. Okay, I have never seen this one before. I'm pretty stoked. Alright, so the goal here is to not take the easy way out. Do something a little tricky. I'm going to be like here, I think. So let's do the broad strokes first. I'm going to create a sort of sky blue area. Then a little bit of this grayish blue. Let's make sure we're getting coverage on all of our little lakeys. Supposedly there's a way to do pen pressure, but I'm not seeing it. Okay. That's supremely depressing. I mean, I don't want to be too hidden because I really do want to, like, get points for being visible. I'm spinning like a ballerina. I guess if they're looking at me from this angle, I kind of want a little more of this. Because depending on where they're looking at me, this will be more dubious, but okay. I think this is the best we're gonna get for now. No! I'm not slick. I'm simply not slick. I just want to be in their line of sight, but I don't want to instantly lose. Is that so much to ask? Let's be of the bricks. Let's be in the bricks, of the bricks. No, how about like here? You want the ledge to protect you a little bit, because then people can't see you as easily from this side. Here we freaking go. So first we're going to lay down a large layer of bricky color. This is our underpainting. Then we're going to go in with the white very carefully. We have 44 seconds to create an entire brick pattern on our bodies. This is really risky too because at different angles this is going to look absolutely obscenely ridiculous. But I think we have what it takes to make this beautiful dream a reality. Okay, and then it's just not enough time, frankly. Gotta get some nice texture in here. Looking good. Me when it's looking bad. I think the biggest problem we're running into here is that the white is just too bright. It's looking pretty nice. I fear just like literally no one's gonna come out here though. And then what was all of this for? No! No! My brick! Okay, you can see I'm opening my mind's eye right now. Oh my goodness. Ah! How about right here? It's looking a little whack. I can't honestly lie to you. It may be my finest hiding job of all time. Yeah. Yeah, that looks great. I'm so scared and I'm not even in anyone's eyesight. Oh no, no, no! Okay. Fine, whatever, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna be the meat. We have to get supremely great marbling. 8 seconds. I have 8 seconds to turn into meat. I am the smallest little meat. I hope. I got a good. Is that more obvious? I can't tell. Oh. They were so close to me. No! How did they know? My meat Sona. Oh, okay, well, fair enough, honestly. I'm really happy at least with the marbling. I thought I did an okay job, but it wasn't quite good enough. Wait, what? Someone was under me? Alright, well, that should confirm to you guys. Being an artist by trade does not necessarily make you good at Meccha Chameleon. This was a very different kind of video than what I usually make, so please let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know also if there's any other art-based games you'd like to see me play, and hopefully I'll be able to do a lobby of Meccha Chameleon with you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much to my wonderful patrons and members, including Roger Baker, Arugi, Leon Kichi, Stabble the Gremlin, Bowl of Soup, Zyrorise, Gashes to Gashes, Frog Scourge, Shaimani, Loro, Mr. Bingley, Larana, Mimi Mobdori, Pale Star Poppy, Celery Sticks, The Mousy Mouse, Burnt Toast with Bleach, Sopapia, Heicho, Trexa Panda, Lonely Purple Zealot, Jessica Cook, Honey Kitten, Data, Skitten, Gold Pikachu, Ho Ermine, John Steele, The Names Are Gone, Crow Dotus, Sunday Good Enough, Ace Wander, River the Goblin, Raz Taroche, Casey, Graveyard Moss, Grexius, Kingdom Hearts Sucks, The Midwestern Menace, CB, Lucy Amajiki, Ravens Crow, Zosalot, Jabber Dabber Doo, Light Julie, Kadaria, The Expressive Poker Face, Subaki, Cutie Pie, Ice Cream Pal, Cola, JJJ, and of course, blah 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 blah. There's a whole lot of this. Whole lot of waiting for somebody to download a mod. Waiting for you to download the mod. Waiting for you to download the mod. Hurry up. Hurry up. I would like to draw. What's taking so long?